Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can edit TikTok caption after posting. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated your TikTok application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So there is no such feature as editing your caption after posting on TikTok like any other application such as Instagram or Facebook, but then there is an alternative method on how you can edit your caption. Watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So first of all, you'll have to open up your TikTok application, and after you open your TikTok application, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So once you do that, on the other page you will be directed into a profile page. So out here you can see that this is the video that I actually want to edit my caption on. So once the video is loaded, so then tap on the three dot icon which is in the right hand side corner, and after you tap on it, you can see there is a drop down menu. So from here, first of all, you'll have to save this video into your gallery. So just tap on the save video in the bottom left corner. So you can see that the video has been saved. So after the video is saved, then what you have to do is you'll have to delete this video from your TikTok. So in order to delete, you'll have to tap on the three dot icon which is in the right hand side corner. You can see there's a drop down menu. Now instead of save video, you'll have to swipe towards your right hand side, and right in the corner in the bottom right there is delete option. Tap on it. And once you do that, there's a confirmation. Tap on delete. You can see the video has been deleted. Tap on upload which is right in center, and then upload the video that you've recently deleted. So after you're done selecting your video, tap on next which is in the bottom right corner. So once again do the same process. So then enter the caption right on top, and once you're done entering your caption, tap on post. You can see that the video has been posted along with the caption. So that is how you can edit caption on TikTok. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.